over here. Oh, not much to see. As it's as these children's films, we can see some of the show scenes happening right over here for people in the best big corner. Happening right here. So the main marquee, the main entrance is the continue to back up, and we can zoom in right there as you see some more show scenes happening right in the middle, and some more being framed for that. And while we're next to 2D, Despicable Me took away their 3D, so now it's just a 2D attraction, just a 2D theater. Despicable Me Mini Mayhem. It kind of sucks because now it's like that's like 3 of those in the park. The 3D is what made it really unique, but there's Sea Level Pets again, that's opening next year, and it's gonna be a dark ride. 2 levels, there's one story over there and another story down there. So just the outlook and see what's going on. And we got, whoa, felt like I was gonna fall off this thing again. And as we see the wonderful view of Burbank. And then we got some more Nintendo stuff going on down there as wow, I really don't like being all the way open. Some more Nintendo stuff going on over there and some foundations. I'm not pointing because it's kind of far. And then we got the Mario Kart ride right over there. And then right over there, the Donkey Kong coaster. And then there's let's go down the escalators and take a look at Jurassic World, because I can't see much from here. Oh boy, I hate this. I know it got warm outside. Oh, I thought I didn't say take it.
Children are not permitted to ride escalators in strollers. Also, there is no smoking, please.
I guess we're back at Jurassic World.
On the center of the steps.
The 1,000 views video is back. The water just started flowing again, so I hope we get some testing. Like,
For your own safety, please do not sit on
that's the raptor encounter finishing up. Again, the water flowing, so I'm looking for some testing. Oh, there are the boats, so I guess no testing. But there are the boats right there. We got the new rockwork. Oh man, sorry, planter. Got the new rockwork right over there with the new arch coming up. Looking for that June opening of Jurassic World. I'm guessing a June opening of Jurassic World. You have the blasters right there to still get you soaked when you come out. The water is again really flowing now. It's flowing up. They just turned on the currents for this. We got the rockwork, brand new rockwork in a nice new Jurassic World symbol where you got the fire coming up right from the top over there. It looks a very nice thing. And we have there's new ODB car, a new beverage stand being built over there. I'll show you at the bottom. But I'm very excited. It's good to see the water flowing, and I emailed Universal to try to get to this media event whenever it does open here at Universal. And again, we have the Jurassic kind of potential exit right there, or this is probably going to be the entrance. You take a photo with blue in there, then you do come out the exit and come around, or go in and out that way, and that could be a cast member or team member entry. And I think that's it for Jurassic World. Let's go check out the bottom. There's a construction worker. Say hi, everybody. On the phone. Then go test this thing. Let's go ahead and go check out Super Nintendo World. So as we head down the escalator over here, there's more of Jurassic World. There's some mummy. Woo, yeah, mummy for the win. Shout out to mummy. Say yes, mommy.
Shout out to my mommy.
Go follow him at Dustin_Kibbe on oh wait, Dustin K Fit on Instagram, everybody. Go follow him at Dustin K Fit on Instagram.
Either one.
And there is the entrance to Jurassic World. Alright, so there's more info on the side. The new marquee arch, there's some grad night stuff set up right around there. Alright, so we're here at Super Nintendo World right now, and you see the foundation for the Mario Kart attraction right over here. Some of the track layout has been revealed due to Alicia Stella at Orlando Park Stop. And it's be going around here, so the ride will be on the first level and the queue will be up there, like on the upper level. You're gonna enter on the second level and come on down. And yeah, it looks like there's the foundation for the ride. So there's the Transformers extended queue. And yeah, that's about it. I can't reach over there, so it's all about Mario Kart. But yeah, no action today on the site. Or they're taking a break or something, because no one's here. But you see, this can be a pretty tall building. There's at least 5 stories of stairs. Hello. 5 stories of stairs there. And yeah, well, that's it for the Universal Construction.